Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 8.2. First question, see here, cut the bold type English alphabets, those are capitals, and paste in your notebook. Draw possible number of lines of symmetry for each of the letter. Okay, we have to draw the possible line of symmetry for each of the letter. See here, I draw the capital letters all up to Z. So for individual letters we need to draw possible lines of symmetry. For A letter, vertical line of symmetry. For B letter, horizontal line of symmetry. For C also horizontal, D also horizontal, E horizontal. F does not have any line of symmetry. G also not having any line of symmetry. H is having horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Now I is having both line symmetries. Okay, J does not have any line of symmetry. K is having horizontal line of symmetry. L does not have any line of symmetry. M is having vertical line of symmetry. N does not have any line of symmetry. O is having infinite many lines of symmetry. O is having. P does not have, Q does not have, or also S also. Now coming to T, it is having vertical line symmetry. U also having vertical line of symmetry. V vertical line of symmetry. Okay, these are all the possible lines of symmetry for the alphabets A to Z. Here W vertical line of symmetry. X X is having horizontal and vertical. Y is having only vertical. Z does not have any line of symmetry. Okay, now next coming to the questions which is given in the textbook. How many letters have no line of symmetry? How many letters have no line of symmetry? Those letters are F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S, Z. These letters does not have any line of symmetry. How many letters have one line of symmetry? How many letters have one line of symmetry? Only one line of symmetry. If you look at this, you can find out. So altogether I wrote only one line of symmetry. Okay, only one line of symmetry. A, B, C, D, E having one line of symmetry. One second here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 having no only one line of symmetry. How many letters have two lines of symmetry? How many letters have two lines of symmetry? See here, you can check it. 1, 2, okay, 3. 3 letters, 4, yeah, 3 letters have only two lines of symmetry. How many letters have more than two lines of symmetry? More than two lines of symmetry. O and X, more than two lines of symmetry. Which of them have rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry, we have so many letters. Which of them have point symmetry? Which of them have point symmetry? Here these are the answers, you can check it. O, X, M, W, H, I, E, D. Okay, now see here, draw lines of symmetry for the following figures. Identify which of them have point symmetry. Is there any relation between line symmetry and point symmetry? Here for each and every figure we can draw the lines of symmetry. See here, for rectangle, vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. So for triangle, like this and like this we can draw. For a square we can draw 1 2 3 4 four lines of symmetry, and pentagon we can draw 1 2 3 4 5. It depends on the number of sides of the given figure. Lines of symmetry, see this rectangle having here we can draw only two lines of symmetry. For triangle, three lines of symmetry, means based on the sides. For square also based on sides. For pentagon, five lines of symmetry we can draw. Okay, like this for remaining figures also you can draw the lines of symmetry. Okay, now draw three tessellations and name the basic shapes used in your tessellation. Here already definition which is given in the textbook itself only. Usually these patterns are formed by arranging congruent figures or mirror images side by side in all the directions to spread upon the area without any overlaps or gaps. This is called tessellation. This is called tessellation. This enhances the beauty of the diagrams. See here, this is the figures of tessellations. Here, see, we may notice that the basic shapes used to draw tessellation are pentagon, rectangle, square, and equilateral triangle. Most tessellations can be formed with these shapes. Okay, with these shapes, most tessellation diagrams will form. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me.